Can't believe they let us back in this place.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for Southwestern Bartow County in northwestern Georgia, Northwestern Haralson County in northwestern Georgia, Northwestern Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, Central Polk County in northwestern Georgia, until 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:16 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Emergency Management reported flash flooding of roads and the water rescue in Polk County. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: Emergency Management reported. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cartersville, Rockmart, EAS, Tallapoosa, Emerson, Aragon, Braswell, Taylorsville, Van Wert, Fish Creek, Antioch, Stylesboro and Felton. This includes the following streams and drainages: Rolling Spring Creek, Thompson Creek, Pumpkin Pile Creek, Tallapoosa River, Etowah River, Little Cedar Creek, Little River, Simpson Creek, Cedar Creek, Ashpole Creek, Harley Creek, Lake Creek, Man Creek, Fourth Branch, Hills Creek, Big Creek, Pumpkin Vine Creek, McCurry Creek, Pettit Creek, Nancy Creek, Raccoon Creek, Little Creek, Flat, Wood Creek, Fish Creek, Thomason Creek, Left Prong, Drumore Creek, Cooper Branch and Jones Branch. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe.